In the last video, I showed you how to create and manage a bunch of accounts, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is. In this video, I'll show you how to warm them up automatically. Now, what you'll want is, of course, if you don't have set it up, go browser, go login, proxies. I showed it all in the last tutorial. It's linked below if you haven't seen it. But once you have your all accounts ready, all you'll need is an app called Minimouse Macro. Minimouse Macro is a macro that can automate literally anything you do on your computer, and we'll use it to warm up the account. How, you may ask? Well, by simply automating as if you're a real person. We'll first record the action of swiping across the accounts, 2 separate TikTok accounts, right? And after that, we'll just run it for hours and hours on a randomized timer. So it will look like to TikTok as if you're watching the videos and swiping, right? So first, what you'll want to do when you have the Minimouse Macro set up, of course, just add up some hotkeys. For me, Alt F1 starts the recording, Alt F2 stops the recording, Alt F3 plays the recording, Alt F6 and 7 stops the recording. So as you can see, I click Alt F1, it's recording. Now everywhere I click, as you can see here, it records it. And then once I stop the recording and play it, it will basically do the same thing I did. So of course we don't want that, we delete it. Let's delete everything, record a real automation of swiping and all of that, right? So I click record, I press down, I click here, I press down, I click here. Now it stopped. Let's see, if I play it, it should scroll for me on this page, should go to this second page and should scroll down, as you can see, right? It does that for me. Now, what we want to do to make it more realistic, we want to randomize the time that it scrolls. So we'll add a randomizer. Let me show you. All you want to do is come here. After the key pressed down, we insert a condition. The condition should say run action, wait seconds, random between 5 to 10 seconds. Now every time it presses down, it will wait 5 to 10 seconds before it clicks here and swipes down here. We should do the same thing below here. We just go to that, right? And simple as that. Now let's see if it works. We press F3, it scrolls down, it waits 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, should swipe. Oh, should go to the other page. It did. Now it waits here and it will repeat that without me being in the room, right? I'm in the gym. What I do is I click loop. It will go on forever. It will loop. It will swipe here, it will swipe there. I can go outside, I can go into the gym, I can walk my dog, and it will warm up the accounts, watch content for me. And you would do that on like tens and probably not hundreds, depending on your screen, but on tens of accounts. That's what I used to do. The screen can fit a lot, right? You make the screen minimize, super small, you swipe. That's it, account warmed up. Do it for like 3-4 days. I for myself do it for like a week, couple, 10-15 minutes a day while I'm in the gym, anywhere I am, boom, account warmed up. Now, if you don't have content to post on these accounts, there's no reason for you to warm them up. That's why I suggest you take a look at VidRain if you want to post some great content about your app, right? VidRain will generate user-generated content using your face, using your app demo. Currently it's done for you, meaning you will not need to record anything. We'll do it all for you, but basically come to the app, you upload some raw footage of yourself, add some products. For example, here's one of my clients called Studio, right? And you create content like this in literally seconds. So if you want, check it out, check out the channel. Have a good one and peace.